Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of making your own natural products at home. We all know that commercially produced personal care products can be expensive and often contain a long list of chemicals and synthetic ingredients that can be harmful to our health. But did you know that by making your own natural products, you can control the ingredients that go into them, choose to use only natural, non-toxic ingredients that are gentle on your skin and better for your overall health? Not only that, but making your own natural products is also better for the environment. Many commercial personal care products are packaged in single-use plastic containers that end up in landfills or oceans. By making your own products, you can use reusable containers and packaging materials, reducing your overall waste. And let's not forget about the cost savings. Commercially produced personal care products can be expensive, especially when you consider the fact that you have to constantly repurchase them. By making your own products, you can save money in the long run by purchasing ingredients in bulk and using them to make multiple batches of products. But you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, there are many online resources and tutorials available to guide you through the process. From homemade soaps and lotions to hair care and makeup, the possibilities are endless. We'll be sharing with you recipes, tips and tricks to make natural products that will benefit your health, the environment and your wallet. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Join us on this journey to a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle by making your own natural products at home. You won't regret it. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to use the keywords DIY natural products, homemade skincare, sustainable living and cost-effective solution in your comments to help others find this video. Thanks for watching.